Have leftover MCT files from a Windows Media Center installation? These contain TV recording metadata from Microsoft's discontinued media platform. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll explain what these Windows Media Center TV metadata files do and how to handle them. Pro tip: for MCT files that won't cooperate, you need a dedicated magic solution. I'll share my secret weapon program once we've exhausted all 3 troubleshooting steps. An MCT file contains metadata for TV shows recorded by the now-deprecated Microsoft Windows Media Center. Users encounter these files alongside video recordings, WTV or DVR-MS files, and search for them to understand the associated show title, episode description, and other program details from their old archives. The file is a proprietary binary format designed by Microsoft to be a lightweight companion to a larger video file. It stores structured data like program guides, titles, and recording times. This separation of metadata from media allows for quick indexing and searching without parsing the entire video stream. When viewing the file metadata, the MCT shows a direct link to Windows Media Center from Microsoft Corporation. Viewing this file correctly requires specialized software that ignores the Windows association data. Windows offers minimal visibility into these files, so proper reading depends on compatible cataloging software. To ensure we don't miss anything, right-click your MCT file and click Open With. Test Windows Media Center first. If it fails, select another program. We are checking all installed readers. If you still can't open the MCT file, it's okay. We've simplified the problem to 3 distinct common points of failure. This quick list shows you what those problems are and how to quickly confirm them. First, viewing in Windows Media Center. If you have a Windows 7 or 8 system with Media Center installed, launch the application which automatically reads MCT files associated with the recorded TV library. The metadata displays as program information in the recorded TV interface, enabling browsing recorded content with full episode descriptions and airing details. Next, Migrating Recordings. Since Windows Media Center was discontinued in Windows 10, migrate recorded TV content to modern media servers such as Plex or MB. These platforms can scan WTV files and extract metadata, although MCT auxiliary files may not transfer directly. Manually reapply any missing metadata through the new media server's editing tools. Finally, removing obsolete files. If you no longer use Windows Media Center, MCT files are safe to delete after backing up associated WTV recording files. The MCT metadata is purely a Media Center cache with no value outside that ecosystem. Removing them frees disk space without affecting the underlying recorded content stored in WTV format. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. A helpful next step is to try a utility that attempts to bypass standard file associations by using raw-level data inspection to better identify the file's likely origin. When even the specialized programs couldn't crack the file, the issue is beyond simple fixes. File Magic is the next step, a powerful universal program designed to read the hundreds of formats that frustrate Windows. Find it at filemagic.com. Confirm your success in the comments, hit subscribe so you don't miss any of my upcoming technical guides.